Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to apply jobs in Upwork. So here you can open the Upwork application and there is the jobs. So you can open any randomly job like this. So these are the job details. So you can read the description of job, read carefully, and you can see the price budget of this client. You can read it actually what clients need from you, and you can provide the service and get the solution. So here you can read the job description and you can click to apply now. Here is the fixed price of $15 and intermediate experience level. Project type is ongoing project and the client from Australia, Sydney. Here is the client history. So I will just click to the apply now button. And here is the job details and terms. How do you want to be paid? So I will just click to the through the milestone. So I will just description for milestones and $15 which client has budget. How long will this project take? So I will complete it less than 1 month and I will just describe my services and I will just write my proposal to this job. Hello sir, ma'am. It's an example, you can write it. Professional. So how are you doing? Well, I am expert YouTube video creator or editor all in one, and I will make best video qualities edit requirement as well as you mentioned there to knowledge of politics and economic news channels. So give me a chance to get this project. I will fulfill your requirements as well as your instructions. Editing method using CapCut. My service including logo animation, emoji, subscribe button, sound, noise, clear. Thank you regarding schedule. And in the top is geo video is mentioned the client while submitting my proposal. So I will just add my portfolio for highlights my profile. So I will just add it. So it will get chance to get this project more. So on this scroll down you will send for 9 connects. So 3 things you need to know. You can read it and yes, I understand and continue. So your proposal was submitted it. So my proposal was submit it easily. So this is how you can apply for job. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.